how to make your Discord server have an animated icon. So for example here, if I go onto server settings, and I want to change the icon here onto a GIF, for example. And on this GIF, I have this one. It's this GIF of a headphones that have blaring sounds, for example. I'm going to save the changes. But, oh, hold on, save changes again. But if you see, after you give it a GIF, it'll just turn onto this static image that won't have an animated icon. That's because if you want to have an animated icon, you need to push the server. This server push. You need at least 2 push for an animated server icon. You can get boost by getting Nitro if you'd like, but you can also buy boost if I remember. Let's try buying the boost. One boost is around 71 rupias, which is in dollars probably around, I think, $5 to $4. So you need a total of $8 to get a animated server icon on Discord. Once you have 2 boosts, you can take any animated pictures, but you can't do videos, so maybe GIFs or anything of the sort. You can use any GIFs, you can make your own GIFs, even if you like. You can make it in Photoshop or in Canva, or you can just take it from the internet. It doesn't really matter, but that is how you add an animated server icon on your Discord server. You need at least 2 boosts. So it's as easy as that.